So now welcome back, and now we shall move on to the next stage, which is the price and charges setup. So you click on it to open, and here this is the place where you are to set up the prices, the price you sell your SME data, your MTN corporate data, and so on. All of that, this is the place where you are to set all of those prices. But before we can set anything here, let's click this blue link to check our pricing. This pricing is the price that Samora Bot is giving you to sell on your application. So you can see the services. MTN SME for 1 gig, it costs 225 naira per gig. So it means that, and here your setup price, this is where your setup price or your profit is going to display. So these are the exact price you are receiving from Samora Bot, and the wisdom here is that you are reselling all of these services to your customers through your own app. You can see on MTN airtime, every airtime that we have here, you are having 30% discount. So they are selling it for you at the rate of 97 naira per each 100 naira airtime. And so now let's go back to the pricing setup. So now we know that our 1 gig data for SME MTN is 225 naira. So now it is now left for you to set up your price, the price that you'll be selling to your own customers. And under here, so now you are to add the percentage you want to add as your own profit. You are buying at the rate of 225, so how much will you sell to your own customers? So I can decide to make it maybe 10% profit or even 20% profit, any amount. It just depends on the amount you set. For example, if I set it on 10%, now let me click on update. Once you click on update, it's going to show the price again. You can see here we have the cost price is 225 and your setup price is now 247.50 kobo, that is at 10% discount. So if your own service provider is selling data for you at the rate of 225 and you are selling to your own customers at the rate of 247.50 kobo, so this growth that you are seeing here is your profit. It means you are earning 23 naira profit per each MTN 1 gig SME data you sold. So, and that is how for 2 gig you can see. So this 10% that we add here has affected all SME data. If you sell 2 gig, you earn 45 naira. If you sell 3 gig, you earn 68 naira, and that's just how this one works. You can see all other ones have not touched anything there, so it still remains 0% and 0 growth. So this is the place under this price and charges setup. This is the place where you are to control the price you want to sell any of your service in your application. On MTN corporate data, it's more or less as MTN SME data, so you can set the percentage as well. MTN gifting data, all of that, Airtel data, Airtel CG, 9 mobile, and so on, Glow SME. Okay, I haven't seen a recharge card. Okay, we have it here. This is the airtime discount. So the discount you are receiving from your own service provider is 3% discount, and here you can decide to give your customers 2% discount so that you can always be earning everyone 1% when they buy airtime on your app. On educational pins too, you are just to set them. Here now we have the withdrawal charge, and this withdrawal charge means that if you enable, if you can remember under the app configuration where you are to enable, maybe your users will be able to withdraw any amount they found in their wallet. So this withdrawal charge will not be the charge you are to charge your users for every withdrawal they made on your platform. So you can decide to make this maybe 15 naira or even 20 naira. Okay, click here to set it to 20 naira or 50 naira. So this means that anytime your user want to withdraw 1000 naira, the 1000 naira they have in their wallet, and they wish to withdraw the 1000 naira, once they request for the 1000 naira to withdraw, you are going to charge them 50 naira and pay them 950 naira as their money. So this is another way to make money using your VTU application, and so on. So this is just all about the pricing setup, and when you click on this link here, you are going to see all of the prices, the amount your service provider are giving you, all of the service you are you can see we have this TV, Airtel, Glo, SME, and so on. When you check it on your own day, anyhow you see it, and anything you need more enlightenment, just let me know so I can explain more. Thank you. And then we'll move on to the next place. And the next thing we have here is the transaction history and the report and debit log. So I will explain this in the next video. I'll stop here for now.